Hey, how you doing? It's Gio Gionta here, and today is Sunday, March 11, 2018, and I basically wanted to go over exactly how to get more leads, sales, and signups in your business, and the importance of being consistent. With this system I've been using, it's been helping me to get more leads, sales, and signups. As you could see, I just got 2 signups within the past 2 days, and I've been making consistent commissions, and I've been using a system that has allowed me to actually build up a list of over 6,000 contacts, and it is called the Power Lead System. Now, the most important part of this is to be consistent, because there's a lot of people who get into this opportunity and who use the tools in order to build up an online list to have, prospects in their business to be able to make sales. But then they might do it for a week or 2 weeks, then stop. And see, I was at a point to where sometimes I would do it and then I would kind of fall off a little bit and not be as consistent, and it does reflect in your commissions. It does reflect if you are not a leader. So that leadership part of it is very important, because you can get traffic all day, but if you're not consistent with the follow-up and consistent with being a leader, taking that leadership role and putting yourself into a position to train others and help others and give back to others, then you are not going to earn a consistent income. You can pick up your income and it can build, but you have to be consistent. And that's something that I've had to come to terms with as well. As soon as you get a result, as soon as something happens, you want to actually take a screenshot of it or shoot a video, then send that out to your list. And I use a software. It's free. It's called Jing, and Jing allows you to take screen capture images and to actually send them to your list as a link. So that's how you want to be able to follow up with your contacts. So how this system works is basically you're going to send people to a system that you're giving away for free. Now, this is the free lead system, and the goal of this whole system is to allow people to start building a list. So you give them a free list building system that allows them to build a list of prospects, and they start learning how to be a leader. They start learning how to do videos. They start learning how to get traffic, and they start learning that they have to be consistent if they want those results. If they want a consistent income, you have to be consistent. And that's what I'm learning, and that's what I've learned over the past couple months. Because I would always buy a lot of traffic and share my results, and I would get more results when I shared my results, but then I might get a little bit off track, and that would cause me to lose everything that I built up, that momentum. And that's very important if you're in a business. If you're trying to build a primary business and you take it online and you're not consistent with it, you're not going to get consistent results. So it's very, very important that you use this system and you get in and you get all in. You go all in, which means you become a diamond member, which will give you $100 commissions, and you become a platinum member, which will give you $400 commissions on top of the gold. The gold is your standard, the standard membership that allows you to earn, and you get $20 commissions from everybody who uses the system, who signs up under you, and who uses it to promote their primary business. Now, their primary business could be whatever they want that primary business to be. This system works for any, primary business that you have. So you could use this to use the tools alone, or you could use it as a business and make money from it as well. Now, this system, it really works if you are consistent with doing the steps, doing the process, and not the results. See, it's the process that's going to get you the money. So what happens is when you buy traffic, the traffic and the leads, they come through this page right here or another page. They put in their email and they come through this page or another page and they give you their email. Then it takes them to a sales page to where they could buy. But you need to follow up with them. You need to be that leader. That's what's most important about this whole process. If you're not consistent with it, you are not going to earn. Now, this is a free system. The goal of this whole system is just to expose people to the system so they get familiar with it. They know how it works, and they can make a decision to upgrade to the fullest level and get $526 per person using the system. Then we have a done-for-you funnel, which is a funnel that the Freedom Takers made, and this is the system that they use to make the multiple, gold member commissions, and then it has a follow-up system in it as well. So to make a system like this, you will have to be a gold member. You cannot make them on the free lead system member pages. You have to be a gold member, and you have to be a PLS customer to be able to make a page like this and customize it to your opportunity, whatever opportunity you're in. So, you want to be a gold member. You want to go all in so you can make those commissions, and you will have success as long as you're consistent. So be consistent, and that's the most important part of this business. If you tried this business before and it hasn't worked for you, it's because of the consistency. You have to get traffic. You can't stop the traffic, and you have to step into that role of being a leader. If you're not a leader and you don't know how to, teach people, share your results, you're not going to make the commissions that you want to make. So you have to build on yourself, and it all comes down to you. Are you willing to put in that work? Are you going to do what it takes to make this work? Are you going to make that decision today to actually, get in and get all in and make this happen? Because all you have to do is have a small budget to actually send the traffic. And we have, done for you traffic that can be provided to actually do the traffic for you. So all you have to do is set up the system and then run the traffic, and you don't even have to run the traffic. The system's already created for you. We're just going to give you a code to get the same exact page, to get the same exact system, but everything is coded to you. So if somebody buys and you have the system hooked up on your website, whatever your website is, you have the system hooked up on that domain. It's what's going to happen is people go through your website, so everything is coded to you. So you make the commissions. You're going to make the $6 commissions. You're going to make the $20 commissions. You're going to make the $100 commissions. You're going to make the $400 commissions. If you are upgraded to the highest level to earn, if you don't have those courses, if you don't upgrade from being a gold member to being a platinum member, you are not able to earn those $100 commissions and those $400 commissions. So if somebody buys from you and you don't have those commission level courses to earn the $100 and the $400, they're going to pass up to the person that has them. So you're going to miss out on $100. You're going to miss out on $400. So it's very, very important to step into that leadership role, and that's how you're going to make the money. That's how you're going to make it happen. So you want to get traffic, and you want to be able to follow up with your list and be consistent every single day. Be there as that support system, and you will make money. You just have to, make a point to be, to be that leader, to be to be dedicated to the process. That's what is most important, and you want to be sincere. You know, if people are watching this video, I don't want them to sign up, you know, just for the fact of money. I want them to sign up because they want to make a difference in their life. They want to make a difference for their family. They want to be able to be that leader. They want to be able to change their life and other people's lives. And the money is a part of that change. It's like a buddy of mine, you know, always said, buddy of mine named Justice, he always said, you know, you want to earn those high commissions, you have to be, you know, that person who is worthy of earning that amount of money. If you're not at that level, you know, with the mindset, with the skills and the leadership, then you're not going to make that amount of money. So I just wanted to share this with you, and I wanted to let you know that it is possible for you, but you just have to be consistent. And, you know, I've made it a focus for myself to be consistent as well, because that's something that I need to work on, and I know that I need to work on it, and I want to be here for people. I want to be that strong leader who is there to answer anybody's questions, and I'm going to make it happen in 2018. You know, I can't slack off, and, you know, neither can you. You have to be as dedicated to the system and as dedicated to the process in order to earn, in order to get that result. Because, you know, you could get the traffic, but if you are not consistent with the process of the follow-up, you will not make money. And that's the main thing about it. You have to be, you know, consistent, and you have to be dedicated to the process. All right, so if you like this video, you know, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I'm going to leave a link in the description for those people who actually want to take this to the next level, who want to check out the system. I'm going to give you this system for free, and you're going to have a free version of it. And the page that you're going to go to, it's going to look like this. And it's going to be a free system. It's going to allow you to start generating leads and start, you know, building a list so that you can make sales. But sooner or later, you're going to have to take that step and upgrade to make the big amounts of money. I'm telling you that right now. You know, I'm not going to, you know, put any fluff into this. You're going to have to upgrade, and you're going to have to upgrade to the highest level if you want the highest commissions. And if that points you away from, you know, getting involved in this, if you're watching this video and you're like, okay, well, I don't want to have to invest any money, I don't want to have to invest, you know, this is part of investing in yourself. If you don't want to have to invest, if you don't want to have to get these courses to make the $100 commissions and the $500 commissions, if you don't want to be a gold member to where you can make funnels for your team and be that leader, this isn't for you. And I really don't want that type of person working with me. I want that person that's like, okay, I'm all in, and I'm going to make this happen no matter what. I'm going to do this in 2018, and I'm going to make it happen. You know, I want this for myself. I want this for my family. I want a better life, and I'm going to make it happen. I'm committed. I'm going to keep getting the traffic. I'm going to keep getting the results, and I'm going to make it happen. You know, and that's what the whole thing is. You have to actually, you know, have this system in place, send the traffic consistently every single week, and then when you get a result, you know, a couple leads is a result. It doesn't have to be a huge result, but as soon as you get a result, you want to take a screenshot, you want to send that out to your list, and you want to keep following up with your list, and you want to give them the training of how you accomplished this. And as soon as you give them the training on how you accomplish something, they're going to want to sign up. That automatically makes you a credible person, and they're going to want to do the business with you if you're helping them to get to the next level, if you're giving them what they need to get to the next level. The solution is really within yourself. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and make sure you click on that link below to get this free system and get started. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I'm here for you. I'm on Facebook. My name is Gio Gionta, and you can find me on Facebook. And if you have any questions and you sign up with me and you go all in, I give you my phone number so you can call me anytime you need help, and I'm always here for you. I want to let you know that, and it was very great shooting this video. It motivated me a lot. It gave me a lot of good feeling knowing that I'm helping the person that's watching this video, and I look forward to working with you. All right, so hope you enjoy your Sunday and have a great day. Talk to you soon.